Hey there, future-forward viewers. Welcome to this quick guide on how to verify DocuSign signature in 2025. In today's digital world, where documents fly around faster than ever, making sure a signature is legit isn't just smart, it's essential. Whether you're dealing with contracts, agreements, or important forms, DocuSign's verification tools have gotten even more advanced. By the end of this video, you'll be verifying signatures like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your DocuSign account. If you don't have one, head over to the DocuSign website or app and sign up. It's free and straightforward. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate the document you want to verify. Look for the Documents tab. That's where all your signed files are stored. Now, for the verification process, click on the document to open it. You'll see a section labeled Signature Panel or Verification Details. Here, check the digital certificate. In 2025, DocuSign has integrated enhanced AI features, so look for the green checkmark indicating a valid certificate from a trusted authority. Next, verify the timestamp. This shows when the signature was applied, helping you confirm it wasn't altered later. Don't forget to cross-check the signer's identity. DocuSign now offers biometric verification options, like facial recognition, so if that's enabled, give it a go. If everything matches up, you're good to go. But if something looks off, report it immediately through the platform's security features. A few quick tips to keep you secure. Always use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and double-check email links to avoid phishing. Verifying signatures regularly can save you from headaches down the road. There you have it. That's how you verify a DocuSign signature in 2025. It's simple, secure, and oh so reliable. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy.